Hello, welcome back to Faith and Friends. Today we're going to be making a fairy garden with my friends Lenny and Lucy, and we're just going to be using all sorts of fun little things like houses and rocks and moss. So let's get into it. All you're going to need is a bowl, and you're probably going to want some rocks or some bark because we're making a fairy garden, and then some moss. You can buy this really new craft store, and any little trinkets, little houses, little mushrooms, people, animals. It's really up to you. You can totally just put anything anywhere. I'm doing a little house with a little fence and a little bridge right here. It's kind of going out a little bit. And then I got a little shed in the back, another little house, wild bunnies all around. Your neighborhood owl. I'm gonna add, sorry bunny, you gotta go.
Bye bye bye.
We're gonna add a pond right near the house. This is the final of my fairy garden. Came out really cute, very colorful, very filled. I really love fairy gardens. And I added an extra little plot because I ran out of space for all my animals. You can really buy any of this stuff at Amazon, Dollar Tree, anywhere you can find it, any craft store. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you can get sent home, and I hope you watch next time. Bye.